Hello and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about your home. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. There are no right or wrong answers. Just talk about your home and your family. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Do you live in a house or a flat?
Yes, I live in a house with my family. It's comfortable and quiet.
How old is it?
My house is about 10 years, but it's still modern.
How big is it?
It's a medium size.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms in my house.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
Is there a study room?
Yes, it's a small study room.
Is there a garden or a balcony?
Yes, it's a small garden.
Is there a garage?
Yes, it's a garage beside my house.
Is there central heating or air conditioning?
Yes, it's a conditioning.
Do you like your house? Why or why not?
Yes, I really like my house because it's comfortable, quiet, and clean.
Great job. You did very well today. Thank you for your answer and your efforts. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.